Yo, hello guys and welcome to today's trade recap. Yes, you heard it wrong. Not wrong, you heard it right. I've took a trade today. That is something that I did not hear in a decades, bro. I did not took any trades literally this whole week. I only this trade, and it was actually not that crazy. It was a 1 to 1.4 risk to reward. It's not that it's a little bit weird because I did follow everything that I told you about, and I did follow my bias for the day and everything, but it turned out to be something like this, not that crazy. And I'm going to show you now the screenshot. Hold on this one. So this is the screenshot on USD GPY. Literally the same exact thing that I drew right here happened. And don't fuck with me, you can go now to the YouTube video that I posted, literally the video before this one, and same exact thing happened. So before we go into this trade, don't forget to smash up the like button and to hit that subscribe button because at 200 subscribers I'm going to do a special video, full edited, full if it's going to be a professional video, very not like all of those unedited videos that I always do, and it's going to be a strategy reveal video that basically me going over all of the things that I do and what is my strategy and what confluences do I use and how I look for my trades and all of that shit. So if you are really interested in seeing that, just hit that subscribe button. We are literally like what we are 4 subscribers left until we hit 200. So let's do it, bro. Like, just click that button, bro, please. Let's hit that before the end of May because we are doing so well. So let's stop yapping by now and let's get started into today's video. So as I told you in the video before this one, on the daily recap or the daily bias video, let's start with the daily time frame so you can see properly for those who did not watch the video. So actually today I had a clear bullish bias. Why? The daily time frame, what do we see? A bullish order flow. Yesterday what happened? Yesterday and the day before that one, we were just creating the higher low, which is right here. So upper trend included the higher highs, the higher lows, the higher highs, the higher lows. And yesterday we were in a higher low, and we did not break the low, this low. What that automatically means? That means we're going to create a new higher high. And that is what gave me the confirmation yesterday that we created this bullish daily candle, and we still have more buy side liquidity to the upside that indicates that price is going to make a new higher highs. And that is exactly what happened on Asian session. We kept moving higher. We moved higher. We took out all of those buy side liquidity, and then we created this bearish or bullish, not bearish, sorry, bullish fair value gap on the 4-hour, and we had those Asian session highs, and we had also those Asian session lows that never ended up got taken. But as I told you, I will wait for price to get built on London session so I can purely or properly took a good trade. So we had those on London session. We came up, we created those London session highs, and we had those London session lows, and we had also this hourly fair value gap. So the daily is bullish, the 4-hour is bullish, the 1 hour is bullish. I'm sorry about that. The 4-hour we have a bullish fair value gap, and on the 1 hour we also have a bullish fair value gap as well. So what I'm thinking is, like as I told you in the video, in the photo before this one, the screenshot, I've drew that I want to see price reverse from this area, create a structure on London session, and then right when New York session opens, I want it like to get manipulated. I want the Asian session, London session lows to get manipulated. I want to fill in the hourly fair value gap, and I want to see 15-minute continuation confluences to than purely aim up for those London session highs or those 4-hour highs that have been created right here. So we have those buy side liquidity on the 4-hour, and we have those London session highs that we can target purely. And what happened exactly, right when New York session opened, we came down, we swept out all of those London session lows, we filled in the hourly fair value gap, and immediately after that I dropped down to the 15-minute time frame so I can look for my continuation confluences. After that we got this leg up, we pretty much broke structure on all of those, we took out all of those highs and we made break of structure off of that. After that I want to see price reverse into this breaker block on the 15-minute, and with that I scaled down to the 5-minute so I can see a better vision. So we have this market structure shift, where is it, this is, and we have created this 5-minute bullish fair value gap as well as this breaker block. Okay, what does that indicate? We have we retraced back into this 5-minute fair value gap, and with that scaled down to the 1-minute to look for a entry signal or entry price. Let me see if actually we hit equilibrium or not. Yeah, we did bottom tick that shit. We did hit equilibrium by 1 pip, and after that I could have entered right when this 1-minute fair value gap got invalidated. That will have given me a much better entry. That will literally have been the 2x the amount that I already hit. I will have aimed for those London highs, and that would have gave me a little better risk to reward and a little better entry. But I wanted to see better confirmation by waiting until these highs and these highs get closed above, and after that literally the very next candle we come up very quickly and we close above all of those highs. With that I said, bet I'm going to enter, especially I'm having school like at 4 p.m. and I entered right this shit right before school at 10 minutes. I got I literally went to school like running before, because I didn't want to miss this A plus setup. It's actually a very good setup, very beautiful, very aligned with my bias, my strategy. Every single confluence got hit exactly as I wanted it to do. But right, good thing that I had school. You can tell me why? Because as you can see, those are my this is my stop loss based on those 1-minute lows and also the 5-minute lows, and my take profit is my only one take profit is at those 4-hour highs that I have targeted previously. So I entered right here, my take profit is right here. Then you can see price moving higher, and then by just one fucking pip, not even 1 pip, 0.5 pips, the price just rejected and almost hit my stop loss. Almost. I literally, the best thing that I have is that I was off of the charts and I didn't see this, because if I saw this I would have been crashing out. I'm very serious with you, I would have crashed out. But actually then price just rebalanced into this 1-minute gap and all of those 5-minute gaps. I think if you look under the 5-minute you can see, or this order block on the 5-minute, so whatever the thing is. And after that literally series of up candles going up and eventually hit my final TP, and I could held this trade more, but I didn't want to because we were a little bit late into the day, and I was literally about to fucking target out those daily highs, which has given me a 1 to 7 risk to reward. But that is not the type of trader that I am. I only take small trades, a very logical trades, a very logical target, and very logical stop loss, and I never be that greedy to target for those crazy 1 to 7 and 1 to 10 risk to reward. And I'm just a regular not a regular trader. I'm just want to do the logical things in my trading. So my logical things is aim for almost above a 1 to 1.5 and a 1 to 2 risk to reward, and I was okay with it. So why would I anticipate in something that is not logical? I mean, it's logical because we're in an uptrend on the daily and all of that shit, but I really did not see any other like close take profit except for this one. So I just immediately set that as a TP and I just walked off, and that's it for the day. You may see if you wanna really learn this strategy, comment down below, and I will make sure that once we hit 200 subscribers by the end of May or before the end of May, let's do that this weekend, bro. Let's do that this weekend. Please just hit that subscribe button, bro. Please, I will do whatever you want. I will literally do whatever you want. I'm not teaching anybody right here. I'm not a teacher. I'm not a fucking guru. I'm not fucking anything. I'm just showing up my journey. I'm just sharing my journey with you guys. Alright, so please support me with this one because I really want to have a good name on YouTube. I don't want to be a fucking course seller or any fucking guru, some sort of that. But that's it. I'm just a little kid who have big dreams and a big goal, and I'm working on it day in and day out, and that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, drop on that like button and subscribe as well, bro. Please, bro. So without that being said, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys up in the next one. Peace out.